Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill this amazing looking smoked ribeye roast. This is so juicy. Time to grill. Alright folks, I grilled a lot of side dishes and made a lot of side dish videos over the past weeks, so that's over now for sure. This is a 1.3 kilogram killer stuff ribeye roast from one of my favorite butcheries, Estillo Argentino. It's a local butcher store in Cologne. They import meat directly from Argentina, and this one is so good looking stuff. So check this out. Check out the rib eye, the fat. Really cool. So what we are using today is Kala Namak salt. This is kind of an Indian salt, a salt from India. We're gonna mix this with kosher sea salt, and this is basically our seasoning for today. It's nothing fancy. Kala Namak salt is normally used by vegetarians or vegans because it really has a little bit like of a flavor that fits perfect to egg. So once in a lifetime, this salt will be used in the right way on our meat today, that's for sure. So that's how we season this one. Make sure to have the salt everywhere, and after preparing this one, we're gonna throw this on our broiling keg tomato cooker. It's preheated with 110 degrees Celsius, approximately 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and we smoke with olive seeds today. As in most of the recent videos, I used this technique, and this smoke flavor really is cool for me. So we're gonna smoke this one for approximately, I don't know, 1.5 to 2 hours or so, until it has an internal temperature of 48 to 50 degrees Celsius, which is like blue. So we're gonna throw this one on the Broil King Regal gas grill for grill marks, so it's close to rare, and then we get our temperature how we like it. So I guess in Fahrenheit the internal temperature at that moment is like 95 or so. I'm 100% sure with the Celsius Fahrenheit, but okay, I think you guys get the technique and how I do it. So I speed this up a little bit. It's the idea of getting grill marks everywhere and add a little bit of that caramelization to the fat at the outside, and of course it looks really cool and it adds additional flavor. So we're gonna throw this 3 minutes per side, then 90 degrees flip, some more 2 minutes, and don't forget the sides. Of course, like always, I will put the exact amount of ingredients, which are not too many today, into the info box underneath the video so you can check it out. Make sure to watch it. There are a lot of interesting links there as well, so you can check out my Facebook page or my Instagram page. Instagram page is extremely interesting right now. I have a lot of cool projects with partners coming up over the upcoming weeks, so make sure to visit it and like it. Follow me there so you don't miss any other barbecue action. It will be really fun this year, I will promise. So once you're ready with the sides, make sure to have the grill marks there as well. And after grilling these one, we will take them away from the grill, put this on our cutting board, and let that rest for approximately 10 to 15 minutes so the juices can slow down, the meat can relax, and we won't lose too much of that really good juice from our meat. So here's how it looks like. This is my new Chroma Porsche design turbo knife. I'm gonna cut into this and see how it is. Okay, to be honest, for me this one is close to perfection. This is how I like it. Nothing gray on the outside, completely medium to medium rare in the inside. The only thing I would complain is that this is a ribeye roast. As you can see here, the fat does not look very good at all. It's a nice flavor of the meat, and you really have a lot of that tender, soft, butter taste meat, but the fat could have been better. So of course it's a great possibility just to cut these into steaks before smoking and then grill them like steak, or smoke them first and grill them like steaks as well, so it gets more caramelization to the fat inside the ribeye. All in all, this is really cool for me. I like the recipe. Of course I will do ribeye steaks in the future as well. I'm giving this a shot right now. Please hit that like button, thumbs up and comment. Feel free to say whatever you like. Make sure to subscribe to 0815 Barbecue with clicking on the logo on the right side of your screen right now. We're seeing us again in the upcoming days. We have some cool recipes coming up again. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.